Hello everyone. Today I'm in Anderson, South Carolina. We're gonna check out this Rocky River Nature Park, owned and run by Anderson University. We're gonna walk down this trail and see what we can find. Okay. This is some kind of nature trail. Looks like there's a creek right down there. So we're walking parallel with a creek.
This tree was interesting. Which one? Which one?
There's like a swamp down there. That sounds bright. It's like the trail splits.
I'll tell you.
Let's take a look.
Okay, so it says Athena, watch out.
So to the left is the main trail. To the right is Cox Creek Trail. I guess this runs parallel with the creek. That must be what the creek's called. Cox Creek.
I think it's a marsh.
It looked like a swamp.
To the right.
It goes two ways again. Oh, we're gonna get lost back here.
Don't go too far. It is a marsh.
Getting way back here now. Wonder how long this trail goes.
There's a map online. There's an evergreen tree.
Wow, take a look at that. That's pretty. Look at those giant leaves. Wow. Well, if this is your thing, if you like nature trails, places like this, give me a thumbs up so I can go to more places like this. I love going to places like this. Nature trails, botanical gardens. Gotten pretty far so far. So, like I was saying, if you like things like this, if you like videos like this of people exploring these locations that you nearly never see anybody go to, like these old nature trails or places like that, abandoned places, that's kind of what I like to do. Wow, that really extends out right there. Look at that. Look. Ooh, I'd hate to get stuck in that. But yeah, if this is your kind of thing. Follow me. Oh, let's see what this is about. It's like a little dock. Whoa. Well, that's cool. Yeah, I'd hate to fall in that. Probably wouldn't be able to get out. Probably nothing but mud under that water.
Go back to swim in it. That'll be fun for you.
Yeah, it's cool. Alright. Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Oh, it's a dead tree, and the vines are still making flowers.
Pretty. Very pretty. I guess the water ends right there. I don't know. It might keep going. And we got something even cooler planned for the next video. So stick around for that. Drop a subscribe. Drop a like. So you can see that next video. We're going to go somewhere really cool. What we got here? So, another trail. Missing Creek Trail. Okay. I guess there used to be a creek that went down there that way. Now it's missing. Man, it looks like somebody's been driving something through here, a tractor or something. Might be someone that, like a grounds crew or something, that comes around every once in a while and cleans it up or something. Okay then, this is random. Alrighty, I'm not sure what that's for. But, okay. Oh, looks like we got another dock or something. Some more water.
Oh, it's an eagle tree. One of the Boy Scouts did it. A Boy Scout did this? Well, I'll write down it.
Eagle Scouts project. Troop 234 completed this in August of 2023. They built the stairs, I guess, and the little.
Yeah, they're probably still working on it.
Down into some water.
What does that say?
I don't know.
It says undergraduate student course project fall of 2025. Please do not move or disturb this equipment because it's in the process of
It's hard to read.
well,
It's some kind of undergraduate project at Anderson University.
Don't touch the water because if it's
We got
steel, that means it
something.
has chemicals or something in it. If the water's steel.
It looks like the water might have used to run all the way through here, but it's dried up, so.
Yeah. What does it mean if the water's steel?
Just means that it's still.
Just don't go to a abandoned stuff.
Oh.
Sometimes still water can have brain-eating algae in it.
Mosquitoes.
Like abandoned place. Like
It's
abandoned
got
place.
mosquitoes.
You never go to like the water is super cool. Oh look, there's some mushrooms on the side of that tree.
We're in for a good time now.
No, don't touch that. Oh, there's another one. There's another one, Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Look, we go that way.
So Cox Creek Trail continues up that way, and I guess it probably goes back down that way.
What's that way?
Or there's ROW Trail that goes off that way.
Wow, we'll go this way.
We're gonna go this way.
That goes up towards the road.
It probably goes back to where we parked. I bet. Maybe. I don't
There's
know.
a map.
Oh, we don't need no maps.
I was going to show you on the
We're out here adventuring in the wild. Maps are for people who don't know how to survive in the wild.
For sure. There's the trail map.
So this is a map of where we're at. I have no idea which one of these trails we're currently on.
That's the main trail. That's where we park. We come down Cox. We pass Missing. So we're right here,
okay.
And we're going right-of-way trail. And then here's the boardwalk. That's the boardwalk that goes across the Rocky River Trail.
That's where we want to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's also an amphitheater loop.
What in the world? Oh, there's some more water.
There's the boardwalk.
Oh, yeah. Way. Ooh, finger. There's the boardwalk. That's where we're going. Oh, there's another trail that goes up through there. Obviously, when we go to these kind of places, we can't walk every single trail or we'd be here all day. So, we kind of pick and choose where we go. Try to find some of the cooler spots. I think I see a giant birdhouse out there in that marsh.
All the things that we've been walking on.
What kind of bird is that for? Big bird? You see that? Let's see if we can. We'll get a better view when we go over there, but that's a big old birdhouse. Another one of those trees with the big beautiful leaves. I really like these trees. They're so pretty. And they're like the only ones that live during the wintertime. Because it is kind of the wintertime right now. It's the beginning of March. It's getting warmer, but it's still cold. And a lot of trees, their leaves are non-existent. But those, big beautiful leaves. Oh, this is going to be interesting. No railings to hold on to. That's so pretty. Let's get down here.
Alright, go over there, Annabelle, so I can take pictures. Hold on, Mikey.
I want to see the view. Let them take their pictures.
Hey, no running. There's no camera.
This is awesome. This is awesome. And there's that birdhouse. There's a better view of it. The sun's kind of in the way. But it's right there just ahead. Oh, those sun rays. So, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pretty big birdhouse. I love finding places like this in the middle of urban areas. Like we're in the middle of Anderson, South Carolina. And if you know Anderson's, it's a great city, but it's a very urban city. There's a lot of development. There's a lot of newer businesses that are around. It's just being taken over by all kinds of companies and stores and businesses. So now you come into Anderson, you see a lot of restaurants, you see a lot of stores, a lot of warehouses, colleges, schools. But places like this, you don't really see a whole lot in cities like this. So when I come across stuff like this, I just think it's so amazing. Like that park I went to in Athens, Georgia, in the middle of college town. Just a random wooded area with a wall, a park, graffiti. Just love places like this. Check this out. It's a tree protruding out of the water. And it looks like a hand. Like a I don't know. Interesting. This boardwalk goes for quite a while. I wonder if there's any fish in there. Probably not.
A tadpole.
This looks weird. You got one little short end and then one long end. It kind of pokes out.
Look, the light hitting it makes it look red. Where?
That water looks so nasty.
Sure, pocket goes. Wow.
Well, that's what happens when it's stagnant like that. But I bet there's all kinds of life in there too. So pretty out here. Like I said, I love places like this. So you'll probably see a lot of this on my channel. I just like to travel. I like to go on adventures. Look at that birdhouse. Another big old birdhouse. What kind of birds are they building these for?
Whatever you're hearing.
God. That's weird. A little white flag just sticking up out of the water. It's marking something. That water goes all way over that way.
Oh, look, this river is moving.
Oh. Got some more creek
I heard something.
poking out right here. Interesting. I bet you could probably swim in that, but I wouldn't. There's another flag. But I noticed this, some black mesh sticking out of the water. I wonder what that's for. That water, I don't know if you can tell on the video, but that water is moving fast. Like, I mean fast. I wonder if this is man-made or is this all natural. But either way, that water's moving fast. I kind of want to figure out what's making it move so fast. There's no telling. Looks like there might have been another one of those big birdhouses right there, but it's not there anymore. Big old wide looking part right there. I don't know if that's the creek from earlier or if that's a river, because it looks almost like a river. I don't know, it might not be big enough to be a river. Oh, what do you guys think? I mean, that's pretty wide. It might still be classified as a creek. Who knows? Could you have my mouth and catch up? They got way ahead of me. I'm surrounded by water. I hope we don't get lost back here. Well, the good thing is, if this video gets posted, you guys know we made it out of here. They just cut off somewhere. I guess there's another little trail that splits off or something. They might have went down to the water. I don't know. What was down there?
Like a little stream where it's coming through right there. It's like a lookout of the stream.
I'm trying to figure out if this is a creek or a river.
I think it's a
It looks like a... I don't know. Oh, this is cool. Oh, yeah. So now you can really see the water moving here. I bet you could probably swim in this. I don't know if I would, but you could probably swim in this. I'm sure people have. We're right next to a college, so I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, now we're on the Rocky River Trail now. Looks like there might have been, looks like there used to be a map or something right here, but not now. What does that say? Trouble loves snuggles even if she don't. Who? What? Oh, there we go. Woot woot. Got some juggalos. Ah. So I guess over time people have just came by and just wrote stuff on this piece of wood. Etched their initials in there. Drew a funny looking face. And we even had a juggalo at one point come by. 17, I'm going to assume that was 2017 when he did this. Or she. Could have been a juggalette. Anyways, I'm spending too much time right here. Let's look at the backside. Nothing on the backside. That's disappointing. Alright, let's catch up again. It's a heck of a trail. We're in here now. No turning back now. I don't know if anybody ever even comes out here. I mean, we saw one person earlier running, jogging. But that's it. We've been here for about 20 minutes so far, and that's the only person that we've seen. So I don't even think anybody... Oh.
It's old. This one's old.
So it's like a bit of an older deck.
From 2018.
But, look at that. Eagle Scout Project, Jackson Amon, Troop 84, November 2018. That's when this was made. Not a bad view. Alright, let's move forward. Alright, we're gonna keep walking along here. See what else we can find. Alright. So, coming down the Rocky River Trail, and it looks like the water has risen some over here, because the trail just kind of stops right here. I don't think it goes out any further than that. Alright, let's check this out. See if I can get over here without sinking. Very pretty out here. But yeah, I don't know where the trail would go to from here. But well, we're not going to be able to go any further, unfortunately. But my guess is it would probably, because it's right there, it's where it stops, where the water starts. And it probably goes like maybe out off that way, back around, or maybe off that way. I don't know, but we're not going to be able to walk it, unfortunately. So we'll turn around and hit one of the other trails, see where we come out at. So it just came from over there where the trail stops, where the water starts. And I noticed this. Off the beaten path. Like a little trail of sorts. I'm going to go over here and just take a look. It comes out right here where this river slash creek slash stream, whatever this is at. Right here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, just wanted to check that out. Alright, let's go find us another trail to walk down. There's another little trail. I didn't notice this on the way up. But it curves off right here and goes down to the water.
Look, it has a nice view. Be careful. So it's a nice view.
Oh, look at this. We've had some deer over here.
Look, it has a nice view.
Drinking some water.
Look.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
That's nice. I think it's pretty.
This is cool.
It is. I don't know more that way. There's mud.
Yeah, let's get back up here. Okay. Now we're gonna come down this trail. The main trail. That's backwards. Where I showed earlier, that thing with all the words and stuff on it. We're gonna go down this way. Okay. Got marsh on that side, marsh on that side. This is like a long trail. Alright. Alright. So that trail that ended earlier, I think it would have came up this way maybe. Wrapped around to this trail possibly. I don't know. But there's another little dock. And I want to go stand on it. I'm about to sit. I mean, I could probably sit too. And there's a giant birdhouse. There must be some kind of giant bird species that I don't know about. But that trail was down there, and I don't know if it would have came this way. It doesn't look like it, so it probably went across that way into the woods over there somewhere. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. What is this up here? Looks like we got a few different directions we can go. Yeah, look at this. There's a trail that goes off this way.
There's wildflowers.
Or does it stop right there, or does it actually go that way?
Look, it's a wildflower bed.
A wildflower bed. So I guess maybe in a few months this will be real pretty flowers. All right here. But it looks like there's a trail to go. I bet this is that trail. I bet it came out on this side. Makes me want to go look.
I got all the animal blood.
I feel like I'm in the mountains. But this is not the mountains. This is Anderson, South Carolina. Yeah, I bet this goes all the way around and it probably ends in that marsh too on the other side. Opposite from where the trail is, yeah. Where we were at.
Probably used to wrap around.
Oh, it looks like there's another trail that goes up to the woods. You know, I noticed this too. There's a lot of trees that had this blue mark on them. I wonder what that's about. I don't know. Might be a way that they use to mark the trails. Who knows?
That's another spot sign.
I see another giant birdhouse. I'm gonna just name this video "Looking for Giant Birdhouses" because I just keep finding them.
Oh, that's where the amphitheater is. Up there.
There's an amphitheater here?
Yeah.
Amphitheater loop. Huh. These signs have seen better days. They didn't quite think it through when they decided to make signs out of iron. Now they're all rusted. Oh, that's cool. Look at that tree that's falling across the trail. It's neat. Alright, we're going to keep walking until we reach the end of this trail. See where it pokes out at. Just to see if I was right. How far you think I can throw this rock? Let's see. Right in there. You see the ripples? Yeah, I could have done better than that if I wasn't holding something in my hand. But that's something else. And check this out. This tree fell. I wonder if this happened during the Hurricane Helene, because it hit this area pretty bad. Not as bad as up in the mountains, but Anderson got hit too. That's cool. Something you never thought you'd see, the underside of a tree. Wasn't meant to see it, but now we are looking at it. Oh, they're leaving me. Well, I haven't found the end yet, but I'm thinking that it's going to poke out somewhere down in here. Poke out into the water. Where that other trail that we were at earlier ended. I'm pretty sure it probably came this way, ended up over here somewhere. But I don't know, because I think that trail was like right over there. So, I don't know. Oh, there's some sort of building over there. Huh. Well, we're gonna keep on checking. We should be somewhere soon where it sticks out, maybe, if my theory is correct. So we get a little bit closer now. We can tell that that's a house. And there's actually multiple houses. So this trail comes right behind a neighborhood, apparently. And there's these pipes that come out of the ground. They go across the marsh there. I don't know what that's for, some kind of septic system. I bet this is where that trail, yeah. This is it. This is where the trail was supposed to come out. But because of the marsh and stuff, it didn't happen. And this trail keeps going right here, but there's a gate there. I don't know if that's park property or not. I'm gonna walk a little closer. We're gonna end up turning around and checking out that amphitheater loop, but I'm just curious. I don't want to trespass, but I don't see a no trespassing sign. There's that pipe that goes all the way across. Yeah, it just keeps going. But I don't know if it's okay or not, because there's a gate here. So I'm just going to play it safe and turn around. And we're going to go check out that amphitheater loop. But real quick, I'm going to dip down here, because this looks like where that trail would have came up had it not been submerged underwater. It's the only thing that I've seen that could be that trail. It's just kind of an open area right here. I don't know what these pipes are for. It's probably some kind of septic system, I bet, because those houses are probably going on city water. That's probably what this is. Something to do with that. Looks like a vehicle has driven through here in the past. I'm guessing maybe this is the trail. Maybe like goes up that way, back over, because we poked out right over there somewhere where we came out at earlier. Anyways, let's get back up here. Hey, look, More deer track. I haven't seen a single deer, but I've seen plenty of tracks. Alright, we'll keep trucking. Get up to the amphitheater loop. So, well, if you've made it this far in the video, while I'm walking to get to this amphitheater loop, I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. I'm from Athens, Georgia. That's why a lot of my videos so far are in Athens, but originally from Athens. And I decided to start doing this channel because over the last, over the last 15 years or so, I've been watching a YouTuber by the name of Adam the Woo. If you ever heard of him, he's a great YouTuber. He's basically like a prodigy for YouTubers like me, people who do this kind of thing. He did it first. And 90% of the people who have a YouTube channel that does this kind of thing got their inspiration from Adam, like myself. Started this channel a few years ago. Didn't really do a whole lot with it. Uploaded a couple videos. That was about it. Didn't think too much about it anymore after that, but this is always something that I wanted to do. I love to travel. And to be able to document my travels is just something that I find interesting, and so I want to do it. So after hearing of Adam's passing back in December, it motivated me more to do this, because I want to be able to keep that alive, keep that vlogging alive in that style of Adam the Woo. I know I can't be Adam, I'll never be Adam, but just to be able to get out here and do things like what he did, and hopefully in the future be able to do a whole lot more like he did. It's just something that I want to do. Kind of call it a personal goal, but also kind of a in memory of Adam type thing. Something to keep his memory alive. Try to go to some places that he went to. Do some of the things that he did. Will not be riding a bicycle down a slide. That was... Anyways. Yeah. So I just wanted to be able to get into that lifestyle like Adam and kind of follow in his footsteps and see where it leads. Alright, made it back to the amphitheater loop. Let's check it out. I already see something over there, like some stairs or something. Let's see what that's about. Oh, this is a bit of a hill. You know, when you do these kind of things, you realize just how out of shape you actually are. There's another little trail that goes up there. We're gonna go up here, even though I hate stairs. We're gonna do it. I wonder if these stairs were also made by Eagle Scouts or Boy Scouts. I don't see any kind of plaque, but who knows? Pretty well made stairs, though, I'll say. Looks like they used like asphalt or something. Okay, so this must be the amphitheater. You can kind of tell how it levels down. So this whole thing must be the amphitheater. Oh, there we go. Owen Hopkins, 234, August 2025. Brand new stairs. So yeah, that must be the amphitheater right there. Looks like one. There's another board up here. Maybe we'll have a map on this one. Oh, natural stairs. No. Oh my God, there's human people. I actually see human people. Let's check this out. What is this? The Bluff Trail. Off that way. And you know, I think I like these old wooden signs a little better. Check that out. Seen trees with blue on them. Now here's a tree with red and yellow. Why are they marking the trees? So weird. It's one of those mysteries that, you know, it doesn't really matter, but you still want to know. I don't know where we're going to walk to now. We just seem to be in the middle of a bunch of trails at the moment. Let's check to see what this says. It's a pretty big park though. Here, we decided to come out here. There's plenty of places to walk, plenty of trails to walk down and explore. So this is also the Bluff Trail. So I guess it goes in up there and then comes out right here. Okay. And this is the top of the amphitheater, looking down. I'm guessing this is the amphitheater. Some picnic tables down there. This would be a pretty spot to come out and have a picnic and enjoy the nature. I guess we're gonna walk at the Bluff Trail. A bunch of woods. Just seen a couple more people, so I guess people do come here, but it's not very many. I mean, if you're an introvert like me and you just want somewhere to walk around without being disturbed, this would be the place. Definitely. Because so far, I mean, we've been here, what, almost an hour now. Yeah. We've only seen a handful of people.
About 6 people.
Not like the park we went to a couple days ago. There was a lot of people that went to that park. Ooh. Oh, that sun is evil. Too bright. Looks like there used to be a creek through there. Where's the spider? Where's the spider? The spider. I wanted to film some creatures and animals and wildlife too, but I haven't seen any.
I seen some birds in the marsh.
I hear the birds. I see a lot of squirrels, but we see squirrels every day. Nobody wants to see squirrels. Wow. What is this? Look at this. Somebody decided to try to make something with some bricks. Just scattered about. Oh, there's an owl somewhere. What is up with all these bricks? You hear the owl? I can hear the owl. And as cool as that is, I'm very confused about all these. Look at this. Look at all the bricks. I wonder if there used to be like some sort of building back here or something. Yeah, there's some tin as well, but there's literally bricks everywhere. Like it just goes and it goes. They're just everywhere. Makes you wonder what used to stand here. Because surely somebody just didn't bring a bunch of bricks out here and drop it and just leave it. I mean, you never know, I guess, but that's insane. So many bricks. I've never seen this many bricks like this scattered about. Things like this really make you wonder, and this is why I like coming on trails like this. Because you never know what you're going to come across. And I wish I would have filming and documenting this stuff a long time ago because I've been to all kinds of different parks and trails and abandoned places. Never thought to film any of it until now. You know, like I said earlier, I started this channel a few years ago, and that was my plan, was to do stuff like this, and life got in the way. Never was able to do a whole lot, but now I'm setting aside time just to do this kind of stuff because I want to do this stuff. I want to give the people something to watch. I want to take you on my adventures. Just like Adam the Woo. But not exactly like Adam the Woo. I don't want anyone to think I'm trying to copy him. I love his work and everything he did.
Michael, there's
Beehives. There's beehives. But yeah, I just want to be able to do something like he did for you, for the viewers. Let's see what this is about.
It's a honeybee yard.
Interesting. This apiary is a collaboration with Rocky River Nature Park, Anderson University, and Anderson County beekeepers. Honeybee yard. Do not disturb the honeybees. Their pollinating work ensures your food supply. Interesting. So, got some bees here. I can see a few flying around. That's cool. Apparently there's a hive. We're going to check that out.
There's a hive right here on the tree.
Oh, Lord. Let's not get too close to that. That is amazing.
Don't get close.
I want to get a good shot of it, but let's try not to get stung in the process. Wow. Look at all those bees. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and back up because there's a lot of them swarming around, flying around. We're going to let them have their space. Thank you for letting me look at you, bees. Thank you for not stinging me. I guess we're going to take a moment and sit up here. That is crazy. Do you think they know about that? Because it's right there next to a walking trail. That's kind of... It looks like maybe some of the bees escaped and just made their own hive right across the trail. Hopefully no one gets stung. But, I mean, if you know about bees, they won't mess with you as long as you don't mess with them. So hopefully nobody gets stung. This is neat. This little place we found to sit for a second. But I couldn't help but notice I had to share. More bricks. They're literally everywhere. They're literally everywhere. We're right here where that bee's nest is. Over there. The honeybees. And yeah, there's just bricks everywhere. And I noticed something else that I want to check out real quick. I'm not going to mess with it, but I want to look at it. I was sitting off here in the woods. This little tank. Like a water tank. It's camouflage. Looks like it's been back here a long time. It's got a hose protruding out of it. And there's no telling where that goes. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Actually curious what it's for. No telling. Oh, let me get out of here before I fall. You keep seeing these trees with all the random colors, and now here's one that's got some orange tape on it. I don't know what that's about. And it looks like another trail that goes off right there. I don't know. I have no idea what that's doing there. I would hate to disturb them guys. And as Adam the Woo would say, that's a beehive of activity, if I've ever seen it. Goodbye, bees. I hate to be the wrong person to accidentally walk up on that and disturb them. But hopefully that doesn't happen. We'll continue our walk along this trail. I've already forgotten what trail we're on.
This is one of the main trails.
This is definitely a nature trail, though. Nothing but nature. And you know, that's funny that I said that I wanted to film some sort of wildlife creatures or something, and then right after I say that, we find bees. So if that's how it's going to work, next, I want to see deer. Deer. Hey, there's a trail. Oh, I doubt we'll see any deer.
There's a bird. Another one.
There goes a bird.
Its nest is up there. That's what it out in.
Just saw a bird come out of that nest. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you saw a bird fly out of that thing. The sun is awful bright today. Look, there's another tree with a mark on it. This one's white. I'm sorry, that's gonna bug me until I figure out why there's. That has to be. It has to be markers for the trails, I guess. I don't know. That's gonna bug the crap out of me. Looks like this comes out to the trail that we first started on, I think. Let's have a look. Cox Creek, yeah, this is where we first started. So we went all the way around, I guess. You want to check out any other trails? Or are we going to call it?
I'm going to call it a day.
Going to call it a day.
We'll walk around the whole outside. Right there?
We got a good bit of walking in. Got a pretty good amount of shots in. And honestly, this could be something I end up doing daily. I don't know. Right now, just every once in a while. Yeah, there's the end. Back where we started. Right. Alright, before we head off, I wanted to share this. I noticed this coming in, but I don't know what to make of it. And it looks like a foundation of sorts over here, but correct me if I'm wrong, that looks like a bunch of potting soil. So I'm wondering if this is going to be like a flower garden or something. And they're going to have a walkway to go to it to look at the flowers and stuff. We'll have to come back when that's done to check it out. But we're about to go off, grab a bite, call it a day. Okay, we made it to Outback. Gonna get us some grub before I go in. I wanted to look at this. Looks like a bonsai tree, kinda. Interesting. Ooh. Let's go eat. Wow. The girls went off to the restroom. We're gonna take a look at this menu. That looks good. I've never been to Outback before, so this is the first. Got some cocktails, boozy bevies, a bloomin' onion. All the good stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Looks like a good steak. I'm excited to try their food. They got some seafood options as well. I'm excited to try this. It's gonna be good. This is what I got to drink. Cherry Berry Shine. Got Captain Morgan Spice Rum, Old Smoky Blackberry Moonshine, citrus juices, and black cherry. Sounds delicious. And she got the boozy cherry limeade. That sounds good too. Alright, got my Cherry Berry Shine. It's pretty good so far. And what was yours called? Boozy
cherry limeade.
Boozy cherry limeade. It's supposed to be what, Sprite and vodka, basically.
I think in rum with cherry, white cherry.
But I really like mine. I like it a lot. It's good. And I'm gonna eat that cherry. Alright, this is what we're working with. I got the chicken on the barbecue grilled chicken with some mashed potatoes. And I got some of that macaroni and cheese. It looks amazing. Just some information here. This is Anderson steak and shrimp with Alfredo sauce. This is where a minute or two after some steak in a fruit cup.
She got grilled chicken and fries.
And some grilled chicken and fries for the little one. We're about to dig in. This looks good. Alright, just finished up an Outback. And we are going to call it a night. I'll get a good shot of that sign. Yeah, gonna call it a night. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.